everybody, my name is Rukma. What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are in the month of October. I mean October almost khatam hone ja raha hai. So we are in the festive season right now and wedding season aane wala hai, and this is the time we usually spend a lot of time with our friends and family. Ek dusre ke ghar jana, chill karna, hang out karna, all of that is coming up. So we do require a lot of good outfits. Amazing outfits ke साथ हमें चाहिए होते हैं amazing accessories which help pop up our look. I have picked 8 amazing accessories for you guys which can really make your look, your outfit stand out, and trust me, all of these things are really in trend right now and very easily available both online and offline. So I'm going to be talking to you guys about 8 accessories which will make your outfit look amazing and great in today's video. So let's get started with today's video, but before that, if you're new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the red subscribe button, click the bell icon right next to it for getting instant notifications for all my latest uploads. And without any further ado, let's start with today's video. So we're gonna go head to toe in today's video, and the first accessory that I want to show you guys is something which is really trending recently. So I'm talking about the knotted hairbands. So I have these knotted hairbands with me. So this is how they look. There is elastic on one side and then there is the knot on the other. So this hairband is a pink in color and I have got these in a set of 3. The second one is black in color and the third one is yellow in color, and I had got this set from Shein. But yeah, these hairbands are like really in demand right now, so you will definitely find them both online and offline, and generally these set of hairbands are not very expensive, so you should definitely go ahead and invest in these hairbands if you want to sort of stand out with your hair game, because they definitely make you look quirky and cute at the same time. And they are available in a lot of these fluorescent colors, which is what I really like. I like the monocolored ones more than the ones which have like floral design or checkered design on them. I definitely will prefer the monocolored ones, but yeah, you can definitely go ahead and choose a design which you like. And yeah, these are the ones which are made of cloth. Iske alawa you do get like the firm hard hairbands as well, जिसमें ऊपर knot होता है. So you can definitely go ahead and check out these knotted hairbands, both the cloth form and the hard form, online and offline. And trust me, these are going to be like a great addition to your wardrobe and they're going to definitely change your hair game for you this season. So yeah, that was my first pick. Now we will swiftly move on to our ears, and for our ears, what can be better than amazing hoops, right? So I have these amazing hoops which I had shown recently in my Flipkart jewelry haul as well. So these are the hoops that I had showed you. There are 3 kinds of hoops here, like pearl and gold plated mixed. These are the chunky gold plated hoops and these are the pearl hoops, and all of these hoops look so gorgeous, so amazing. So hoops are something which make you look so gorgeous just within seconds, because there is no effort required. Like even if you're wearing like a simple tank top, jeans, and you throw in your gold plated hoops, I think that look is so complete in itself. So hoops are definitely something in which you should invest, and trust me, they are really in trend at this moment. So if you ask for my personal recommendation, I would definitely recommend the gold plated ones, like the chunky gold plated hoops, and also the pearl hoops. Both of them are very gorgeous and very beautiful. Now we're done with hoops. I would like to move on to the neck piece part next. So the third accessory that I've picked is neck piece. So if you're wearing something which has like a deep neck, you can throw in a neck piece. If you're wearing like a ethnic outfit, you can throw in a neck piece. If you're wearing something which is like completely western, you can still throw in a neck piece and make them look so good together. So I have some neck piece suggestions out here, because in case you have not really ventured out in the neck piece area and you're not really experienced and you're not really aware of what neck piece to go for, I definitely have some suggestions for you guys in this video. So let's begin. Now the first suggestion that I would like to make in the neck piece department is that definitely go ahead and invest in a black neck piece, something like this. I mean, obviously it doesn't really have to be this exactly. Oh my god, this keeps flipping, but I hope you can understand, right? So this is the neck piece that I'm talking about. This is a black neck piece. So you guys should definitely invest in something which is black, because black is something which goes with all other colors. Apart from that, investing in basic pendants like this also really helps. This is the pendant and it is so gorgeous. Just look at that. This is like just a basic circle, and this is, full of fake diamonds. Very, very shiny, very, very classy, and not much of effort required. Just wear this and your look is complete. So yeah, definitely go ahead and invest in some basic pendants as well. Now moving on, the next type of neck piece that I would like to recommend are silver oxidized jewelry. You can never have enough of them. So I can show you like 2-3 pieces. All right, so the first one that I would like to show you is this one, which is like a long one. Now this is something which will go amazingly well with saris, and I like the length of it. This is adjustable. You can just adjust the length of this. Apart from this, I have two choker silver oxidized pieces, again something which I had shown in my jewelry haul. This is one of them which I got off Flipkart. Very, very pretty, will make you look gorgeous in seconds, goes with both ethnic and western outfits. And another one is this one, which I think I had got from either Bandra or Juhu. Look at that, it looks so pretty and so dainty, you guys. I love this. This is something which I think every girl should have. So you should definitely invest in silver oxidized jewelry, both the lengthy ones and the choker pieces. Fourth accessory that I would like to talk to you guys about is definitely having a nice watch. Now a lot of you all might already be having a smartwatch which like shows you the time, your messages, how many steps you've walked, your heart rate and all of that. Obviously that looks very cool and very funky, but I still feel having like a basic beige color watch or a black color watch with like a basic simple dial is important, and you can definitely club that with anything and everything. So yeah, if I have to pick something, I will definitely pick something which has like a basic dial and is either beige in color or black in color. So you can definitely check out brands like Daniel Klein and Daniel Wellington. Daniel Wellington is obviously a little on the expensive side, but Daniel Klein is quite a reasonable brand and has very good classic dial wale watches. And if you're looking for something which is like funky, colorful, has a lot of mixed colors, you can definitely check out Chumbak. They have a lot of colorful watches. Alright you guys, next up, the accessory that I've picked are the crossbody bags, which I truly love. There are some amazing crossbody bags with Lavi, Baggett, Daily Objects. They have some amazing crossbody bags, and I really like that, they're very compact, but you can also put in a lot of stuff in them like your wallet, your mobile, some keys, all of that. So I really like the look of crossbody bags, and I feel that if you're wearing like even a simple outfit, just putting on a nice, colorful, trendy crossbody bag can take your look to another level, which is what I love about the crossbody bags. And in case you guys don't own any and you're planning to buy a bag for yourself, definitely go in for the crossbody bags. I personally was gifted a Daily Objects crossbody bag recently, and trust me, I'll put a picture here. It's so amazing, so gorgeous. I love that bag absolutely. So crossbody bags are something which I really love personally, and I really hope that you guys will go ahead and invest in some, because they are amazing, trust me. Now moving on, I would like to talk about belts, which are something obviously which help you tighten up your trousers, your pants obviously. But apart from that, all of us have these like really baggy tops which don't really fit us well, जो हमने या तो लोकल किसी शॉप से खरीदा था without trying, या फिर जो हमने weight loss करके अभी वो लूज हो गए हैं, ऐसे कोई baggy tops हमारे पास होते ही होते हैं. So yeah, keep these belts handy with you. So you can just have one very thin patla belt, and I think the best color would be the tan color patla belt. And for these fat ones, I think I would like to suggest going for a black one or a brown leather color one. So have a mota one and have a patla one with you. These belts come really handy if you wanna suddenly style like a dress, or let's say you're wearing a crop top or a tank top and you pair it with a skirt. You can just bring the look together with the help of a fat belt. So these belts come really handy. So belts are definitely something which can take your outfit to another level altogether. So I'm left with the last two accessories for the day, and definitely I had started from the head and I will now move on towards the toe. So toe ke liye obviously you must understood the accessory are definitely shoes. Now I do have some recommendations for you guys. I definitely would like to suggest going for some Oxfords. Now Oxford shoes are something which you don't really see girls wearing. I somehow find them very unique because they are these amazing like Indo-Western pieces. I have a lot many designs available on Myntra. Do check out golden Oxford shoes available on Myntra. They are really stunning, and abhi to sale bhi chal raha hai Myntra mein, so definitely go ahead and check those Oxford shoes out from Myntra. Apart from Oxfords, I'm really very fond of pumps as well. I think pumps are something which make you look very elite and classy, and they go very well with dresses, they go very well with denims, and also with ethnic sometimes, you know. So pumps are definitely good as an investment. For pumps, I will definitely suggest you guys to go for colors like brown or black, and a color of your favorite choice. You can also go for neon colors if you're like a very brave, courageous dresser, but otherwise you can go for the baby pink shade or the gray shades. There are great pumps available on Myntra, so do check out Myntra for great pumps. I'm also very fond of, you know, simple slide-ons, one-toe sandals, and also I'm very fond of loafers. I remember I'd also spoken about loafers in one of my previous videos. Alright you guys, the last accessory that I wanted to talk to you guys about is not really an accessory, but it is something which is so important. So I was basically talking about a perfume. Yes, applying the right perfume is very important. Now deodorants are absolutely fine, but I feel perfumes are always much more long lasting. So you guys should definitely go ahead and, you know, invest in some good perfumes which have a very long lasting smell. Obviously the smell should be according to your taste, and what you like is what you would want to wear, and that is how you would want to smell through the day. But make sure you definitely put on some nice perfume. I wanted to add in a tip right here, which is there are certain places on your body which are like really good in absorbing the perfume and will make your perfume more and more long lasting. So the first place is definitely these parts, you know, aapke kaan ke niche, the portion under your ears. They are really good. You can definitely spray in your perfumes right there. You can also spray in your perfumes right here. It is said that because you can feel a sensation of your heartbeat out here, it sort of smells, you know, circulate the smell of your perfume. So yeah, these two places, and definitely the portion beneath your knees. I cannot show it to you right now, but जो एक ऐसा bend नहीं आता knees के नीचे, that place is also very good for you all to apply your perfume, and it will make your perfume long lasting. So definitely go ahead and try this. That's it you guys, that was my video for today. I really hope you found the video helpful. I talked to you guys about 8 accessories that make your outfit really pop up, make your outfit look like really pretty and gorgeous, and take your look to another level altogether. I talked to you guys about stuff in which you can invest and use from your head to your toe. I really hope that you found all these items helpful, and that you will definitely be investing in these and using these in the upcoming festive season to meet up with your friends and family. Do let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite accessory which I showed you in today's video. I would definitely love to go through your comments, and yeah, I will see you in my next video, which is going to be really soon. So till then, take care, loads and loads of love. Bye bye.